everybody doing today? It's getting fall out here in end of September. So today's video is going to be about the Petrol box, September's box. We're going to see what we get, what kind of goodies we got on here. Let's look at the outside. Yeah, it falls here in Michigan. Let's take a look. It's getting cool out. It's a little windy today, not too bad, but this is pretty good detailing weather. Put the cars out here, you got your shade. It's a little bit too windy. You can put it in the garage. I was gonna do some stuff for the Jeep. I might today, I'm not sure. So, well, let's open that up. Let's see what we got. So we got the mitt came from the Rag Company right here. Check them out. They got some YouTube videos too. You can check out. It's pretty good. And then we got my Chanic Roadside Emergency LED Kit. That's pretty cool. I have to check that out. Must be that's in the big box. Then we got a Limitless Car Care Limitless Lather. Oh, that looks pretty good. Bathe your vehicle in a rich lather of cleaners, gloss enhancer, paint protectors, and lubrication. Something here. Oh, no golden ticket. So yeah, if you get a golden ticket, you can win a set of wheels. I wonder if anyone's won one. Supposedly, I guess this month there was supposed to be one, but I haven't heard anything. Okay, then you get a magnet for Rider of the Month. Here we got Bobby Dancy. Hopefully I said that right. And his card. You got a nice in the background with some graffiti. That looks pretty good. That's what I need to do is get a nice picture of the car, send them in. Okay, my Chanic sticker. Turn your own wrench. That's pretty cool. Hopefully I said that right. And then we got the My Chanic Tune Shop stool. Okay. Well, they give you the website, their tools that you can get. It's right here, some on the list. Boom. Get your floor jack, the stool. Yeah, stool detailing rig would be nice. Right here. That's something I need to get into. Pretty nice to have. Right there, showing working on it. Looks like got a Ryobi tool. That's pretty cool. You have to check into that. Got another sticker, a couple stickers. Cool. That's from Limitless Car Care Products. Right there's a website. Then you can use Petrol box code. So if anyone orders, you can get 15% off right there. I'll turn around. Limitless Car Care. Cool. I'll have to check out their website, definitely. Then here's the product from Limitless Car Care. Check that out. That looks nice. Nice blue. Look at that. Yeah, it's nice getting detail, especially if you like detailing cars. It's perfect. Of course, yeah. I always got detailing stuff. Okay, we got candy jawbreakers. Oh, those are nice. I'll hide that from the kid. You can't get that. Alright. Let's open this up. I think it's the LED kit. Let me get a knife. Hang on. Oh, well. Cool. There you go. Tells you how to do it. I'm not going to go in detail. Need some batteries. Check them out. Cool. Oh, cool. Got a bag for your vehicle. Looks like the magnet, huh? Find out. That magnet. Pretty cool. Got a magnet. I don't know if you want to put it on your vehicle, but that's pretty cool. Let me open it up. Hopefully you guys can see. The garage is a mess. I need to clean it. 3 AAA. I gotta see if I got those. Let me go see. I'll be back off and see how they work. Whoa, that's pretty bright. It has different functions on it. Pretty cool. Let's go test it out on the floor. More room. That's pretty cool. Might do more. Yep, different flashes. That's all. That's pretty cool. Use that, make some cool videos. Does all kinds of stuff. That's pretty neat. One on. It's got all kinds of functions. Pretty cool. Tell you what, you can use it in flashlight too. Keeping the vehicle. This would be good if you're on a trip. There's the other dog. It's not a toy. Pretty cool, guys. Let me go get the light on. Box. Did a pretty good job this month. Got some good stuff. Nice wash mitt. That's always come in handy to have them. Got some cool mechanic gloves. I already tried them on. They fit pretty good. They look small, but they expand. Those are nice. You got size large. You got a couple stickers from my chain. My chain will be, let's see, the my chain. Hopefully I said that right, but I hope is a roadside emergency LED kit. Okay, and they have a website here, and then this is some of the products you can get there. Right there's the website right there. Hopefully I said that right. I'm not. Sometimes it just certain words just don't come out right. So that's your roadside emergency kit. Boom, that. And then we got the Grease Monkey gloves. And then we got the Limitless Car Care Limitless Lather right here. And that's the card right here. And like I said, if you use the Petrol box on their website, you get 15% off. And they have Instagram, stuff like that. Pretty cool. And then we got the Rag Company wash mitt. So yeah, pretty good. And then we got your magnet rider of the month. And then your candy. So that's a pretty good box. So that's all that came with it. Got enough stuff in here. So it's pretty good. Pretty good kit. So hope you guys like this video on the Petrol box. It was good, good month. A lot of good product. We'll have to test these out. Make a video of using this product here. We got the LED lights. Those would be great for going on a trip and great for leaving it in the wife's car. And I just got to buy some more batteries. Once in a while, I'll probably have to check the batteries. The gloves would be great to working on stuff, your cars, whatever actually. And got some cool stickers to put on my sticker cabinets and some candy. Well, yeah, pretty good. Gotta like it. So I'll have the information for Petrol box below. Maybe if I'll find the websites for these. I like to check out these websites too. That still's nice. So, and check out their website for car wash product. And then you got the Rag Company too that sells car products. They have a bunch of different kind of rags. I went on their website. That they got a lot. They got a lot of microfiber towels and stuff like that. A lot to pick from. Decent prices too, from what I've seen. I believe some of the one of the detail brushes, not this one, but my red one came from. I think it came from that company. So you can get all your detailed products in that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, guys. You guys have a good one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned on our other videos later.